we have two brilliant musicians for the lunchtime concert today. So we have Darren Cleany from Head Longford and Nathan Smith from Armagh. And I think this is as close as we're going to get to a Dundalk musician. So I said I'd introduce it. So yeah, thanks so much for coming, and hope you enjoy the next 40 minutes or so.
Thanks very much, Danica. We're going to start off with a set of rings. What else? The first one is called O'Reilly's Greyhound. was O'Reilly's Greyhound that I got from the playing of Killian Valley. Then we did Mo Queen's, Palmer's Gate, which we got from the playing of Dervish, and then the last one is Denny O'Brien's, which we tried in B there, and I got that version from the playing of Oisín McDermott in Chiada, and I'd recommend you listen to that version rather than a few slips just there now. But we're just warming up. So we'll start off with a set of jigs now. The first one is called Josephine Malloy's. It's a Paddy Kelly jig, and I got it from the playing of my friend there, Dylan Carlos. We'll follow that with Rosemary Lane, which we got from the playing of Great Marker. And then the last one is Betty Bluestein, a composition of Niall Valley, a great Armagh musician exiled in Cork. So we give these a go. the kind of the tour van or the car that they used to go around in, that unfortunately came to its last journey, so he wrote the tune in its honour. We're going to go with a kind of a relatively newly composed tune now. It's a barn dance called The Rambles of TJ, and it was written by a great Scottstown musician from County Monaghan, Michael McCaig. And Darren, we haven't practiced this together, so it's all over to him really to pull it all together. But Michael McCaig is one of my favourite musicians and composers. He's got loads of great tunes, so I'd say go definitely check him out if you're looking for some new stuff. Okay, so this is The Rambles of TJ. Been doing a few gigs over the last while, and as he knows, things can change at the last minute, but he's well fit to keep up. And I don't know of any other Armagh Longford duos on the road at the minute, so something a bit unique. So we're going to go on now with it's kind of a Scottish influenced set of tunes. I love kind of Scottish fiddle playing, Cape Breton and stuff as well. So the first tune is a slow Strathspey called J.S. Forbes. Of course, it was written by a 19th century Scottish fiddle player called Peter Milne. He would have been kind of the mentor to James Scott Skinner, and he wrote loads of great tunes that are still played. So the last reel, called The Marquess of Huntly, is also one of his, and in between I'll play a faster Strathspey that's called The Brown Sailed Boat, which would be in the kind of Donegal tradition, but I think it's originally Scottish as well. So Strathspey is in a reel. Give it a go. Marcus Pontley, great Scottish reel, and I got that version from the playing of Breach Harper, again one of my favourite fiddle players. So we're going to do something a wee bit even more different. This is a Breton set. It's called Gilles Lebigo's Swing and Tears. Gilles Lebigo is a great Breton guitar player, and we got this kind of set of tunes, and the rhythm's a wee bit unusual from the playing of Oisin Macaulay. He's got a brilliant solo album, Orphan Tales of Donegal, and I've been listening to it all week. So we give this a go. So yeah, I think it's a gavotte. I think it's in 3/2 time. So for us, it's not something we're used to in Irish music, but we'll give this a go anyway. Right, so I might try a bit of a slow air, and then I'm going to get Darren, who's obviously multi-talented, to join me on a set of tunes on the box. So the air is called The Wounded Hussar, and it's a version I got from the singing of Rita Gallagher. And obviously anyone who knows the song and knows the words, it's very tragic. It's set during the Napoleonic Wars, and this woman runs to find her lover who's been slain in war, and she kind of sings this lament as he dies by her side. So not very cheerful, but one of my favourite tunes. And then we're going to play a set of jigs, starting with The Rambles of Mike, which is written by Carl Hession. So we'll try this. called Tongues by the Fire, I think. I always remember that one because my sister Annie calls it Thongs by the Fire. It's one of her favourite tunes. We're going to keep going with a set of hornpipes. The first one is called Dunphy's Hornpipe. And I got this from the playing of Jesse Smith on his one of his first solo albums, Jigs and Reeds. The second hornpipe is one called The Poppy Leaf, and it's a version I got from Brian Rooney on his brilliant album The Godfather. And then the last one is the Newcastle Hornpipe. It's a composition of James Hill, a Newcastle-based fiddle player. It's brilliant fiddle compositions, and it's kind of one of the classic hornpipes that you'll hear. So we'll give this a go. It's my first time in UCC, and it's great to be in Cork. And yeah, I think I was telling my parents that I was coming down, and my dad, I think, did this gig with a friend of his, Mark Donnelly, many years ago as well. And Niall Valley was in charge of the TradSoc at the time and got him down. So I think it took him 7 hours to drive from Armagh at the time. So I had it a bit easier just coming down the train today. But yeah, it's great to be here. Can we all thank Darren for his He always does what I tell him so perfectly. And we're going to finish off with a set of reels. The first one is called the High Fiddle Reel. It's a composition of Mairead Nwini of Alton. Then we're going to play the Jolly Tinker and a version, it's Finbar Dwyer's version of it. And the last tune I couldn't but finish with an Armagh tune. It's called Farewell to London, and it was composed by the late great Brendan McGlinchey, brilliant fiddle player from Armagh. And it's a 4-part version that we play. It was the original that he composed, but you'll hear the 2-part version probably more commonly played in sessions. So thank you so much for listening. Hope you enjoy the last set, and talk to you after.